Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel in today's video. So about 3 weeks ago, I have been looking for so long on a palette from AliExpress that I really wanted to try, but I wasn't that sure, like, will this palette even arrive? There has been a lot of reviews, mostly positive reviews, which made me more curious about this palette. I have already ordered before from AliExpress 2 palettes. The one is the Dreamland from UKB, and then the other one is like a very copy for the Gorgeous Me palette, and I think it's from the brand Beauty Glaze. However, for the longest time I was like, should I order a new palette from AliExpress and try it out? Should I not? But then the palette I was looking at, which I had in my mind, went on very low discount, which cost me only €2.90, and I was like, shit, I'm gonna grab that one and just taking the chance, maybe it will never arrive. I mean, it's just €2.90, so it doesn't matter. But however, it actually arrived, and pretty fast. It was very well packed in this bubble paper, whatever, I don't know what the name of them are. Very well packed, and I was so surprised it was so good packed. I mean, I just paid €2.90 and free shipping. So the palette I'm talking about is this one, Pink Violet, and if I'm not mistaken, so the brand name is Changeable. Really? Though I ordered from UKB's own official home site. So you push this and you drag this, and it's really cute one. It's like a Barbie palette. Alright, then you open it and it's like very magnetic, as you can see, and I really like it. And it has this weird, when you open it, it has this foil plastic thing here. And the colors, just look at the colors, they are so beautiful. And this is like a 95, maybe a 90% dupe or copy to the Huda Beauty Nude Nude palette. As I noticed, this is an eyeshadow, it's not any concealer, but like in general, these shades are so beautiful, and it's like they're calling for me. Hey, please, can you just make a beautiful eye makeup with us? So if you would like to know the look I will create with this palette, keep on watching. Because this palette is new for me, so I don't know anything about the fallout. So I will start as I usually start. I have already done my eyebrows. Now these are my eyebrows from the morning, so I'm not gonna redo them. I will just, you know, fix them up a little bit, but not now. I'll do it in the end of the video. However, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as my eyeshadow primer because I really want to know how it works with this palette.
Alright, so what's calling me the most here? I'm like this is saying hello, this is saying hello, and then,
Alright, it's really hard to decide which color I will start with, but I think I will start with this one here. So I'm taking this, the name is Love Bite. Oh my god. This pigmentation though, like, look at it. Let's see how it works actually on my lid. Really nice. Oh my god, the blend is so soft. How can this kind of, a lot of kickback, but hey, come on, it's just a €2.90 eyeshadow palette. This makes me just more curious to buy more eyeshadow palettes and do review on them or of them. If you would like me to do like buy eyeshadows palettes from AliExpress, just leave me a comment and suggest the palette that you would like me to make a review on, because usually I'm not the one who buys a lot from there, but these things makes me really want to try AliExpress's makeup more. Alright, so what I'm realizing in this palette, there is no such a highlighting shadow or highlighting pigment or anything. Most of them are just matte, and then you have this kind of shimmer thing and then the glitters. Okay, so the next color I will dip into will be this one here. That was a lot, but actually it doesn't bother me that much. I would really have loved if there is a mirror inside this palette, but no problem. I can actually glue this in there. Okay, so the second shade I will pick up is this one. I mean, really, look at this pigmentation. And I will apply it directly into my crease. You have really to pick up all the time, but it's okay. I think it still works nice. It has a weird scent, but not kind of annoying one. But it has something like, yeah. Oh, okay. So this is the kickback. As you can see, it's not the worst. There is other palettes that has worse kickbacks. I will go back to my first shade and just diffuse and make the eye look or the blend more even. Alright, so let's give this shimmer glitter thing a try. This is really difficult. I will pick this up. Okay, there's something. Actually, really good. Okay, let's give this a try with some brush as well. I'm taking the same shade, and it's actually really good. I really like it. So now I will give it a try with some setting spray. It definitely have this kind of, you know, soft pigmentation. Like, it doesn't make it really harsh. It gives that soft, yeah. I will do the other eye now with the brush and just even everything out, because As you can see, I went all crazy and I was so excited, so my fingers went and did the rest. Taking the brush with my first shade on. I definitely like this palette and I will create more looks with it. That's why I'm not gonna use all of the shades today. This was like a test and first impression, and let me tell you, my first impression is really like a wow impression, because I'm very impressed with this eyeshadow palette. So I would like to try out one more because I have never seen such a color before, and taking this one. It's not gonna show so much because, you know, we are applying this on the top of the first shade. But I would love to try this with some really dark eye look. Look is missing something, so I'm gonna pick up this dark brown from here. That was really nice. It blends beautifully. They are very buttery, these eyeshadows. Alright, so I went a little bit overboard with my line, so I'm gonna clean this area. You can take any concealer brush if you'd like to have some concealer on it, or just clean as it is. Alright, so lashes are on, and we're gonna just speed through this video, and I will do my rest of my face, and I will come back to you with the finished look of this day's makeup first impression review slash tutorial. Alright everyone, so this is the final look of today's first impression / review video for this palette. Let me tell you something. This palette is really gorgeous. The colors in this palette is really something really nice. If you would like to order this palette, so go ahead, because you won't lose anything else than just maybe 4 or 5 euros. But like the pigmentation, the blending, everything is so beautiful. And there wasn't any like fallouts. When I started to do my face makeup, I didn't wipe anything away. Everything looks so clean. A little bit of kickback in the pan, but that's still okay, because what do we even require from a palette that's just around like 3, 4, 5 euros? Oh yeah, I have talked so much right now, and if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment, what do you think about the palette, about the look, and yeah, and before you leave, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!